4, 5, 6. Now ease back. Close your eyes. Attention your forehead. Attention your breathing. Complete. Open your both now. Now second pranayama is we are doing Kapal Bharti. Kapal Bharti. Today we are doing second. This one you just cross your hand. Another side. Right hand cross your left. Touch your left hand completely up and touch your back side like that. Okay, this position. So when my hands go back, so that time you completely turn your neck and then relax. Now start the Kapal Bharti, this posture. See, one hand cross and second hand go back and relax. Whatever your finger is coming that side, it's easy. Now start. And neck completely turn and then normal position. You can see straight. Now start. Kapal Bharti. Kapal Bharti means only you are using your stomach in with the exhalation. Start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Take a normal breath. Another side. Another hand. Go back and relax completely. Your neck just fold and then complete normal. Look ahead. Now start Kapal Bharti. Attention your Kapal. Kapal means your stomach. Your stomach completely in with the exhalation. Inhalation is a normal thing. Complete attention your exhalation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Next, making a fist. And another hand straight, complete straight. So this fist hand touch the ground. Or make sure your knees is not open. Just touch and feel the stretching. Feel the stretching, stretch, hands straight. Jaya, you are doing wrong. I'm making a fist, another hand straight. This fist hand touch the ground. Yes. Now complete body turn, complete stretch. Look up. You can fold your hand. Look up. Start the Kapal Bharti. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And easily come back. First your hand straight and push your body, come back slowly. Because this whole side stretch, it's very good for your tire fat, this the tummy fat. Okay, now another side, making a fist important. And first your hand, another hand is completely stretched. Your hand blade is completely up. Now the another hand touch the ground, slowly without any jerk. This is the pranayama. So complete attention your breathing. And when this is your maximum position, then fold. Look up. Start the Kapal Bharti. Just fold. Hand always fold. Start. 2, 3, 4, 5. Gayatri, your hand is fold, please. Hand is fold like that. 3, yes. 4, look up. Your neck up. Yes. There, also look up. Very good. Now start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Relax. Come back. Normal position. If you feel the uneasy, because of the side maybe pain, so just hold your both knees. Inhale, cow camel pose in sitting position. Inhale. Exhale. This time your spine is making a curve when you in cow position. Look up. Exhale, chin down, touch your neck. Every time. Inhale. Exhale. The body relax. Spine relax. Next time, your both hands straight and feel the stretching maximum. With the Namaskar. Now start the Kapalbhati again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And slowly relax. Pranayama is always most important thing. Okay, now we start another yoga is Surya Namaskar. So everyone is comfortable. If you are doing Surya Namaskar with the standing position, if you have any problem, just take this chair, one chair. If your knees problem, if you have any issues, if you are not running, it's up to you. Okay? You can see me properly?
Yes.
Just little more. First is completely Parvatasana. So we just inhale, hands up, and feel your stomach is upside. Your stomach is upside. You feel stretch. Your seat completely squeeze. Stomach upside and go behind. Come back with the Namaskar, normal position. Take 2, 3 breath. Again, inhale. When you come back, slowly, your stomach is in, like that. Show me please. Again, I can see. Yes. Inhale. अभी विमल अभी हमें बैंड नहीं करना, सिर्फ पीछे बैंड करिए. Bend your body back. Yes. Completely. And come back, Namaskar position. Yes. One more. Stretch. Stretch your body backside. Stretch. If you can breathe there, just breathe 1, 2, 3, 4, and then come back, exhale. Now we are going second yoga in Surya Namaskar. Like that, inhale, stretch and exhale. That time your stomach completely in, seat is sky facing. If you are not fold too much, just grab the chair, seat of the chair. If it is easy, just you can hold the chair legs slowly down, down, down. That part important is your knee. If your knee is bent, no problem. Your neck is completely down. Your head, top head point completely ground facing. This is the most important. If your knee bent, no problem. I can see the Gayatri, please stand. Yes, if you can knee bend, no problem. Try to nose touch your knee. Just hold this position. Take a normal breath in, out, knee bend. Not the pressure in your spine. Jaya, you can fold your knee. You can fold your knee, no problem. Relax completely. Chest completely relax in your knees, no problem. The blood flow completely towards your top head point. This is the important thing. Hold the posture, whatever you want. Knee bend, no problem. Important thing, your head completely down towards the ground. And relax your palm. It's parallel to your both feet. If you're using the chair, your head completely relaxed in the seat. And hold properly. Now we are going to running position. Lift your right leg up and go back. Hold here, seat. If it is easy, and the both palm down. Stretch, look up. Okay. Next one is plank. So if you are in the seat, you can go simply your another leg back like that. And your shoulder and arms completely parallel. You are doing plank. Plank position is your shoulder and your palm completely up. Yes, straight. Just little more ahead, Gayatri. Push your toes straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knee touch the ground. Knee touch the ground. Knee touch the ground, yes. And baby pose. The forehead is also touch the ground. Baby pose. Just lift your chin. Only pressure inside, only pressure is your upper body. Your knees straight and touch your both your middle part of your, no, not straight. Yes. So like that. chest touch. Chin chest touch. Your seat is completely sky facing. Just relax in the floor. You can see like that. Feet sky facing, chin touching the middle part, middle of your palm, your both palm, and chest relax. Now relax. Knee, lie down. Important, the cobra. We are just going to cobra. So your underarms, completely tuck your thumb. This is the position of your palm. This one is position correct. Okay. Chin and forehead touch the ground. Your toes touch each other. Inhale with the sound. No, that time we are using the baby cobra. My hands is not completely up. Again, inhale with the irritating sound from your throat. Inhale. Yeah, your hand is also straight, not bent. Pressure in your spine. Toes touch each other. And you can feel your shoulder completely back. Again, you can see me. Because of the cobra is the most important thing. My shoulder is not hurt. Shoulder is not hurt. How can it possible? See. First, my chin, and this is the position. So first, your shoulder, it's a normal position, just back. Shoulder, just push back. And after that, pull your head up. So that time pressure in your is not coming in your shoulder. Vimal, you can do. This is a very good for you. So attention your shoulder. Stretch your shoulder back first and then lift your head. Yes. So it's not force in your arms. It's not force in your palm. It's very easy. First your shoulder back and then lift your head. Inhale. Exhale. Now Adho Mukhi Asana and complete body